Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we show you how to edit group color in Google Chrome on Android. This is very easy, so let's start. First open Google Chrome, then tap on here. Now select the tab which you want to change color. Now select the tab which tab's color you want to change. For example, I want to change color this tab. Now tap on here. Now you can change a color from this, or you can change color with another option. To do this, tap on here. Now tap on edit group color. Now select a color. You can change also tab color with this option. That's it. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.